Hey everyone! Welcome back to Car Upcoming. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Isuzu D-Max, a pickup truck that's redefining rugged performance and style. Whether you're a fan of heavy-duty work or just love a great-looking truck, stick around because we're about to explore everything this beast has to offer. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the exterior of the 2025 D-Max. This truck boasts a bold, commanding presence with its new, aggressive grille and sharp LED headlights. Isuzu has really stepped up their game with a more muscular stance and pronounced wheel arches that give it a rugged, off-road ready look. Now, let's take a peek inside. The cabin of the 2025 D-Max is all about combining comfort with functionality. The interior features a spacious layout with premium materials and modern design. The new infotainment system comes with a 9-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, ensuring you're always connected. Under the hood, the 2025 D-Max is powered by a new 3.0-liter turbo diesel engine. This powerhouse delivers impressive torque and horsepower, making it ideal for towing and off-road adventures. The engine is paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission, and you've got options for both rear-wheel and all-wheel drive. With advanced safety features and a robust suspension system, the D-Max handles like a dream, whether you're navigating city streets or rugged trails. It's a truck that's ready for anything. So there you have it, the 2025 Isuzu D-Max, a pickup that's built to impress with its powerful performance, stylish design, and top-notch interior. Whether you need a reliable workhorse or a versatile adventure vehicle, the D-Max checks all the boxes. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and drop a comment below on what you think of the new D-Max.